Our next topic is motion parameters of a projectile. So, what are the motion parameters? Motion parameters are maximum height, time of ascent, time of descent, and range, time of flight. These are all motion parameters of projectile. First of all, let us see what is the maximum height of the projectile. So, what is maximum height? The height reached by projectile by the vertical component of velocity and becomes zero is called maximum height. For suppose if you observe the diagram, this is the trajectory of projectile. So this point is maximum height. That means the vertical component of velocity becomes zero at this point. So this is a horizontal component of velocity. This is a vertical component of velocity. The maximum height of the projectile can decide by only vertical component of velocity. Okay, at this point the vertical component of velocity becomes zero, but the horizontal component of velocity remains constant. Why? Because the gravitational force does not affect on horizontal motion. So what is the initial velocity, what is the final velocity, what is a displacement of the projectile here when it is at maximum height? That means what is the initial velocity, what is the vertical component of velocity, that is uy is equal to u sine theta. So this is a u sine theta, this is a vertical component of velocity. What is vi? Vy means, what is vy? That is the final velocity of the projectile. Final velocity of the projectile is 0 at this point. What is the displacement? Displacement means, so this is a displacement, this is a ground initial point, this is a final point, this is a displacement. That displacement is equal to maximum height. That means s is equal to h. A is equal to minus g. Why it is minus g? The velocity of the projectile gradually decreases. That's why a is equal to minus g. When we project a body into air, the velocity gradually decreases. That means we can take a is equal to minus g, s is equal to h. Okay, same. So I'm using the formula, that is kinematic third formula, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So what is v? That is the final velocity of the projectile, that is vy. That means vy square minus u square means initial velocity, that is uy square equal to 2as. Here if you observe, I'm taking only vertical component of the velocity, I'm not taking horizontal component of velocity. Okay, why? Because horizontal component of velocity does not decide the maximum height of the projectile. Only vertical component of the velocity can decide the maximum height of the projectile. That's why I'm taking only vertical component of velocity. So what is the final velocity of the projectile? 0. So at this point vertical component of the velocity is vy. So at this point, find initial vertical component of velocity. This is the final vertical component of velocity. So that is 0. Final component of final velocity, that is 0 minus uy square means u sin theta whole square is equal to a means minus g, s means maximum height. So this is 0 square means 0. What is the next step? Minus u square sin square theta equal to minus 2gh. So minus minus will get cancelled. What are the remaining values? U square sin square theta is equal to 2g h max. H max means maximum height. Okay, that means h max is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. Okay, from this equation we can write, I can write here, that is h max is equal u square sin square theta by 2g. Okay, this is the maximum height of the projectile.